Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will be showing you how to make the perfect suya. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. I will start by making suya spices, and this is what the ingredients looks like. Transfer the cayenne pepper to a mortar. Crush to separate the seed from the flakes. Once that is done, transfer it to a plate and separate them. All we need is the pepper flakes. We don't need the seed. The seed will make it to be too spicy. Next, crush the kuli so it will be easy for the blender to grind. And this is homemade kuli, and I'll be uploading the recipe soon. Add it to the pepper flakes. Add dried ginger, negro pepper, season cubes. The amount of season cubes you use is totally up to you. You can also add salt at this point. Transfer it into a dry grinder. Cover and blend. That is done. Suya spices is ready. Store it in an airtight container and keep it in a cold place, and this can last up to a year. You will need skewer for this recipe. Soak the skewer at least 30 minutes before using it to prevent the skewer from getting burnt. And this is the beef I will be using. And this beef is thinly cut already. This is how I got it from the store. So if yours doesn't come cut like so, you need to cut it to be very flat so it will be easy to cook. Next, cut the beef like so. Next, pass the beef through the skewer like so. And you can add more or less, depends on the length of the skewer. And I will repeat this process until I am done. I will be grilling some of the beef without using the skewer. In a bowl, add suya spices, onions powder, garlic powder, salt, and mix. Transfer to a flat surface and I'll spread. Coat the meat with the suya spices. So be sure to coat the meat properly with the suya spices. So when taking suya spices to coat the meat, take the one you can finish. If you have any left over after passing the raw meat through it, you have to throw it away. Do not use it to serve the suya when it's ready to avoid cross-contamination. I will repeat this process until I am done. You will need oil and a brush. Brush the meat with oil, and this will prevent the meat from drying out on the grill. And I will flip to coat the other side as well. Once that is done, I'll put that aside. And the second method, I will add oil. And I'll flip and add oil on the other side. Add some soya spices. And I will rub it and make sure the whole beef is well coated with soya spices. And once that is done, I will cover with a clean wrap. And I'm going to be sending it to the refrigerator to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I'm using indoor grill. I will transfer the meat and grill them. And brush them with oil from time to time to prevent it from drying out. You can also do this in the oven. If you're using the oven, grill at 350 Fahrenheit. Brush them with oil from time to time, just like so they don't dry out. Once one side is ready, flip it to the other side. And I'll brush them again with oil. And when they are ready, I will take them out of the grill. And I will use a paper towel to clean the grill before adding the next batch. And I will add the one that is not cut. Flip it to the other side once one side is ready. Brush with oil from time to time. And once they are ready, take them out of the grill. I will be using these vegetables here for garnishing. And I have them nicely cut already. And the delicious suya is ready. You can serve this suya with any drink of your choice. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.